Alright then, boys and girls, just a quick little update on Verasity then on the daily time frame. As we can see, we came back up perfectly retesting our 038 Fibonacci, but obviously with Bitcoin having another little rollover today, continuing to chop sideways. All of our altcoins are obviously bleeding in the market, so you can see very clearly here for Verasity, we basically come back up to that resistance there, also near that 100 moving average as resistance as well, and then looking like we're coming back down to test support again. As you can see, we could easily come lower into this area of support and demand down here as well. You can see obviously the volume declining, just like every time before we've had a big pump. You can see the volume declining pretty much every single time. You can see here, huge pump to the upside, decline in volume, and then we get our next pump, decline in volume, and then we get our next pump, and now we are approaching a similar idea here. You can see here the volume rolling off, obviously altcoins bleeding right now with Bitcoin chopping sideways and basically faking the market out as you'd expect. Overall, the macro looking completely fine. We are just chopping around in that local area here, just on the cusp of breaking out of the true bear market area of, you know, that bit, basically that range we've been in for a while. Once we start clearing this 1 cent level again, I think we're going to get into the bull market proper. The Bitcoin halving is literally weeks away now, days away really. And as you can see, this chart looking absolutely fine in my opinion. Anyone who's concerned about this chart probably just needs to take another look at it with a bit more of an objective viewpoint. As you can see on the hourly time frame, nothing new to report. We obviously had that really nice pump up to the upside recently, and then since then we have been retracing and declining with Bitcoin chopping sideways and a lot of FUD and nonsense surrounding Verasity as well. But overall, things looking completely fine in my opinion. Not much to say today other than that, a quick update that we are retracing, looking for support in this area, really down at around, maybe back down towards this 0.5 cent area here of demand. I think we'll probably get a bounce in this area, and I do think the bottom for Bitcoin is pretty close as well. As always, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.